Jai Gurudev, dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today we shall study about factor theorem. We often say about many numbers that this number is a factor of this number. Suppose that 7 is a factor of 42. So what does this mean? This means that when 42 is divided by 7, the remainder is 0. When we divide 42 by 7, the remainder is 0. So, when a number is divided by another number, you may say A is divided by B and the remainder is 0, then we can say that B is a factor of A. So, main condition is that remainder should be 0. If the remainder is not 0, like in 50 and 9, here remainder comes 5. So as the remainder is not 0, so we can say that 9 is not a factor of 50. In remainder theorem, we have studied that if a polynomial px with degree greater than or equal to 1 is divided by another polynomial x minus a, then pa is the remainder. So pa, what is a? A is a real number which is the 0 of the divisor x minus a, as we have discussed earlier. So pa is the remainder. Now, as we have discussed in factor theorem, that if remainder is 0, then the divisor is a factor of dividend. So here the polynomial px is dividend and polynomial gx, which is in the form of x minus a, is the divisor, and r will be our remainder, which is pa. Pa is the remainder according to remainder theorem. So if pa is equal to 0, then what will we say? That gx is a factor of px. As pa is the remainder and here remainder is equal to 0, therefore divisor gx is a factor of px. So factor theorem states, when a polynomial px with degree greater than or equal to 0, when a polynomial px with degree greater than or equal to 1 is divided by another polynomial x minus a, then x minus a is a factor of px if pa is equal to 0. So you can see that factor theorem is just a part of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem says when px is divided by x minus a, pa is the remainder. So remainder is 0 when the divisor is factor of dividend. So there is if pa is equal to 0. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि x minus a is a factor of px. Second condition, if x minus a is factor of px, then remainder will be equal to 0. मीन्स जैसे हम नॉर्मल से एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि अगर 312 का फैक्टर है तो 12 को 3 से डिवाइड करने पर रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. अगर 12 को 3 से डिवाइड करने पर रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है, इसका मतलब 312 का फैक्टर है. So similar condition here applies. X minus a is a factor of px if pa is equal to 0, and opposite statement of this vice versa, pa is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of px. So this is the factor theorem, which is very important and a specific case of remainder theorem. So you will understand it well and revise it. Let's discuss about the application of factor theorem. Here we have a question. Check whether x square minus 7x plus 12 is divisible by x minus 3. Or in other language it can be said, check whether x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus 7x plus 12. दोनों कंडीशन का पर्पज सेम है कि अगर x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 12 को x माइनस 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि x square minus 7x plus 12 is divisible by x minus 3, or in other words we may say that x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus 7x plus 12. So our dividend polynomial is x square minus 7x plus 12, and divisor polynomial gx is x minus 3. So to apply factor theorem, first we will take the 0 of the divisor. So taking gx equal 0, there will be x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3. Now using factor theorem, P3 is equal to 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 12. That is 9 minus 21 plus 12. So 9 plus 12 equal 21 minus 21 is equal to 0. So therefore P3 is equal to 0. So as factor theorem says that if PA is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of Px. So here by factor theorem we find that P3 is equal to 0, therefore x minus 3 is a factor of Px. There is one more type of the application of factor theorem. Let's take a question. For what value of k 2x square minus 3kx plus 24 is divisible by x minus 2? In other words, we may say that for what value of k x minus 2 is a factor of 2x square minus 3kx plus 24. So for this we take px is equal to 2x square minus 3kx plus 24. Now we will find 0 of divisor, that is x is equal to 2. So as x minus 2 is a factor of 2x square minus 3kx plus 24, that is px. So by factor theorem, as x minus 2 is a factor of px, therefore p2 is equal to 0. So substitute x by 2. p2 is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 3k into 2 plus 24. We have used 2 in place of x. But according to factor theorem, p2 is equal to 0. As x minus 2 is a factor of px, therefore 0 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 6k plus 24, or 0 equals 32 minus 6k. So by using transposition we can say that 6k is equal to 32, or k is equal to 32 upon 6, which can be simplified as 16 upon 3. That's answer.